I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inimitable in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Fake Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite units. It's an oldie but a goodie. This used to be one of my go-to units until I started switching over to some of the newer units that are coming out. So this one is by Model Model. It is called Fable, and I got it in the color OT30. So this is what the stock card looks like. So one of the best parts about this unit is it's pretty cheap. Let me double check the price, but I do believe that it's in the $30 range. And it's actually a frontal. It's a 13 by 4, 100% hand-tied lace front closure. But one thing about this unit is it is sort of boxy, but you can always sort of mask boxiness by trying to create some baby hairs and get those going. I don't think this one comes with baby hairs, but let me just take it out and I'll show you what the construction looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. It's pretty long, it has really nice curls, and the texture is yaki. So that is always my favorite and go-to texture. So I was talking about the baby hairs. This actually does come with baby hairs even though they're long. Here's what it looks like around the crown. The inside of the cap construction has 2 combs near the ears, a comb in the back, and then also your adjustable straps. So let me just show you what it looks like when it's actually on. So this is what it's looking like with the lace still on. It does have a pretty boxy hairline, but just like I said, you can mask that with the baby hairs. And luckily it comes with them, so you can sort of just cut them and manipulate them to your liking. It is a 13 by 4 frontal, so look at all that parting space. So I'm gonna just cut the lace off, add some concealer, and try to do a couple styles with this unit. So as I showed you guys, this unit definitely comes with just a good amount of putting space, and there's so many different styles that you can do with it. I just love the fact that it's yaki, it's thick, not too thick. The baby hairs were easy to manipulate, and I just also love the way that it's layered. Like, it just gives you a natural vibe. Like, you look like you're ready to go out and about, and also on a budget, because what? This unit's $30. Like, you're not really going to get a better deal than that. A $30 frontal that comes with baby hairs, that's yaki, that's easy to manipulate, and that's going to last you a good amount of time. Like, and I can definitely say that from experience, because as I said, this used to be my go-to in the past, and I could definitely make it last for weeks at a time without even needing product. And also the fact that I'm a person that wears their units constantly, even to sleep. I just throw it up in a ponytail, put it in a bun, put on my silk wrap, and go to sleep like that. Wake up in the morning, comb out my hair, and I'm good to go. This is what everything looks like to the front. The density is amazing. It comes to just about my belly button. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So I would definitely recommend this unit if you're someone who's like new to units, new to frontals, and you just want to dive in without spending too much money but also getting a bang for your buck. This is for sure going to be something that's good for you. But also, before you get this unit, I should let you know for sure that this is not big head friendly. I have not adjusted the straps at all. I have a smaller head and it's fitting me very snug, so I think if you have a bigger head, this is definitely going to be sliding back on you. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you like this video, and I hope you check out this unit because you will not be disappointed. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.